Hello, friends! Great day to all of you. Millions of Americans will see big changes to their monthly benefit checks. It has been confirmed that there will be a raise and increase to monthly benefits. For many low-income households, millions of Americans will be able to claim hundreds of dollars starting in September. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn more about these stimulus checks. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn about all of these changes. And to say thank you, friends, for watching every day. I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter these giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. In just a matter of weeks, residents across the state of Illinois will start receiving their tax relief rebate checks. On September 12th, the state will start distributing one-time income and property tax relief payments, which were included in the Family Relief Plan, a part of Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker's budget that was signed into law earlier this year. According to Susana Mendoza, payments will not go out to everyone immediately, as distribution is expected to take an estimated 8 weeks. First and foremost, to be eligible, you must have filed your taxes. In regards to the individual income tax rebate, a person qualifies if they were an Illinois resident in 2021 and if their adjusted gross income was $400,000 if filing jointly, or $200,000 if filing as a single person. The property tax rebate requires that recipients be Illinois residents who paid property taxes on their primary residence in 2021 and 2022. Anyone who filed taxes as a single individual will receive $50, and if you filed jointly, you will be given a $100 rebate, which is $50 per person. According to the state comptroller's website, those with dependents will receive up to $300. $100 will be given for each dependent, with a maximum of 3. The rebate amount is equal to the property tax credit that you were qualified to claim on your 2021 taxes, up to a maximum of $300. Thanks to the federal student loan repayment moratorium that's been in place since March 2020, student loan borrowers have not had to make loan payments or accrue additional interest on their debt. Some, however, use this as an opportunity to put all of their money towards paying down their debt principal and get ahead on their loans. Because of President Biden's student loan forgiveness, it turns out they may be eligible to receive a refund for any payments made during the pause. Those who made payments or paid off their federally held loans during the interest-free forbearance by single payment or lump sum are eligible for these refunds. Any payments made since March 13, 2020 is eligible. But friends, private student loan payments are not included. If you do not receive your refund electronically, you will receive a check in 6 to 12 weeks. According to the experts, you will also see your loan balance increase by your refunded amount in that time frame. There are also some changes to the SNAP program. More than 41 million Americans rely upon the SNAP program just to get enough to eat. The program enables eligible individuals and families to buy staples such as fruits, vegetables, breads, meat, and dairy. According to the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, SNAP benefits play a large role in helping to reduce both hunger and food insecurity. To accommodate economic impacts, including the crisis, inflation, and other financial hardships, SNAP benefits increased between 2021 and 2022. Emergency allotments were authorized under the Family's First Crisis Response Act to help address temporary food needs during the crisis. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, emergency allotments provided $95 or more in additional funds each month, up to the maximum benefit amount. State SNAP agencies can issue emergency allotment payments on a month-to-month basis to all SNAP households that normally receive less than the maximum benefit. Households that are at or near the maximum SNAP benefit receive little or no additional support. As long as there's a national public health emergency in place and the state has a state-level emergency declaration in place, U.S. states may choose to continue to provide monthly emergency allotments. Well, my awesome and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching every single day. I greatly appreciate all of you. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Catherine Elmore. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.
Allow the other agencies to consult them in the process on it so that you kind of know who's the boss of the whole project. It's very reasonable. Establishing a timeline for a yes or no decision. You just mentioned before it takes 5 years to be able to get a permit now, to be able to do a natural gas pipeline. We can't have that. People aren't going to invest long-term in that. So having a decision time period, it seems reasonable. We had the Canadian leadership in here not long ago talking about mining and energy production in Canada. The timelines that they have set here seem to be endless with litigation. Theirs are very fixed, and so they're more predictable in the process. Establishing in statute that critical infrastructure projects are deemed in the public interest. I think it's very reasonable. We need more energy. Lots of areas around the center part of the country right now are dealing with electricity availability right now because we don't have enough energy, actually. And so we've got to be able to have that. And then revising the standard for judicial review to ensure infrastructure certificates and permits are approved unless the record lacks credible evidence to support a permit. Those are pretty reasonable changes on that. Is there anything that you want to add to that or highlight on that?
Thank you, Senator. I would just like to say that we are not trying to eliminate, sensible regulations. We are not trying to lower the environmental threshold for us building infrastructure. We are simply trying to address the gaps that exist in the legislation that have been leveraged to stymie development. So I appreciate you going through those. If we don't have enough pipeline capacity now, making it even slower to be able to get more, or to say let's do hydrogen like we're doing natural gas, is not going to fix this. We're going to then bump our heads on